We will soon make a brief stop at Yokohama.
Heading up to Mount Kumotori, also called Cloudcatcher Mountain. If you've seen Demon Slayer, you'll know what I'm talking about. Forgot to record any audio for the first part of the trip, but we started off in Tokyo, got all the way to Mitsumine Shrine, which is about 2.5 kilometers back that way. Beautiful, beautiful place. Yeah, it's probably about 10 degrees right now. Got another 9 kilometers, I believe, to get to the mountain hut. I know I'm gonna run into some snow eventually. I've got crampons. Not sure how much there is. They said maybe 15 centimeters about a week and a half ago. So yeah, stoked to be out here. Looking forward to get to the summit. Might not get any views because it's super cloudy, but it'd be really nice to see Fuji-san from the top, which we'll be at tomorrow morning. So see you there. Just got to the top of Mount Kirimogamine. At the summit right here. Epic view. On to the next peak. They actually have a toilet all the way up here. That's crazy impressive. There's so much work done to this trail. It's really, really cool. You know, all these wildlife info boards. Even look at this. Incredible. Info boards like this. I wish I could read them. I take pictures of everything so I could translate later. I don't know what this is, but it looks like a closed down mountain hut. Maybe in the summertime this is serviced. It's incredible. Do a lot of ascending and descending. I think we just came down from the previous peak, maybe 300 meters. Now we're going straight back up. It doesn't look steep in the video, to be honest, but it's pretty much directly straight up. A lot of nice maps too throughout the whole thing. It's definitely one of the best maintained trails I've ever been on. You can kind of see it, but it's hailing now. Can't say I expected that, but pretty cool. Got a bit of a chain here. Looks to be relatively new too. Whew. That's a bit of a climb, a bit of a scramble actually. It's kind of nice. Wasn't expecting that. A lot of the reviews said this is fairly flat. I heard there's a lot of up and down, but wasn't expecting anything scrambly. Even got a whole ass set of stairs up here. That's crazy. Right from the chain into a nice set of stairs. Man, the work that went into this trail is just so impressive. Just about halfway. It's still hailing / snowing. We're getting up really high, starting to get almost in the clouds. It's so misty. We're just walking a ridgeline right now. Whew. Incredible so far. First little bits of snow on the ground. Can't really see them, but look down through the trees, you can see a bit of snow. Still climbing. Super old hut, broken down completely. Wow. What a rush. Hi guys. They're just staring at me. Damn. I didn't even see them. That's so crazy. Look at this spot. I can imagine there's probably a really nice view here usually. Just the clouds. Crazy. My friends are still staring at me. I think I'll leave them alone and try to get past them. Hopefully they're nice. See my friends through the windows. There they are. Hey guys. Bye-bye. Onward. First full layers of snow-ish. Still climbing. I haven't needed the crampons yet. We're maybe about 3 kilometers out, so thankful for that, to be honest. Another summit down. We're now 1,900 meters. Well, like 150 or so to go. I'm pretty sure that's around how high Kumotori is. They have all these little rest spots like everywhere. These picnic benches, informational signs. It's like going through a national park, but like you're on top of a mountain. It's wonderful. All right, time for a snack. On to the next one. Mountain roadway. Kumotori. Getting there. So cool. Wonder what the protective area is for. Oh, back down a bit. Took a bit of a side trail to another peak along the way. The trail marking has been horrendous, to say the least. I haven't seen a ribbon in a while. You can still see a bit of a trail, but I got slightly off track, I think about once. Just to keep in mind to watch the side trails if you're ever up here. Not gonna lie, something about this place is a little ominous. If you've seen Demon Slayer, you'll know what I'm talking about, but just the fog and the quiet, solitude. Having a great time though. Cut off to the Kumotori Santu Lodge I'm staying at. It's getting really close now. It's basically just been like no visibility, super windy, snowing / hail the whole time for the past maybe 5K. But it's been pretty incredible, even so. Another old broken lodge. Pretty much almost at the summit. I think I'm only like 5 minutes from the lodge. Pretty crazy. Look at this really old Kubota. That's so crazy. I think I finally made it to the lodge. Wow, that's dope. Out of nowhere. So cool. All right, just got checked in. Just got up to my room, and this place is sick. It's so cool up here. In my own little room. It's got the heated table. Tons of stuff for sleep. This is the coolest place. Light. There's even like LTE over here. I have to totally have like cell service. It's such a nice place to stay, and the table's already hot. I mean, I'm so stoked. Couldn't recommend staying here more highly. $68 for the night. 6,800 yen. Sun's coming up. I'm the first set of footprints on the way to the top this morning, besides maybe a rabbit that I saw. Look at this. The sun's just rising right now. Clouds are rolling in, unfortunately, but very excited. The trail up to the forest here is so beautiful with the snow. Man, how lucky am I? Oh, made it. Oh man, it's wild up here. You can actually just see Fuji-san over there. Look at that. Let's go. What a journey. There it is. It's completely frozen over. Epic experience. Couldn't recommend it highly enough. Even in the winter, it's just profound. Two deer literally just ran up past me right there on the summit. There's Fuji. This is fucking, let's it's got to be the coolest one I've ever climbed. Just look at the clouds rolling through the valley there. It's insane. Cloud Catcher Mountain. Put it on the list.